Good evening. Welcome to the 2020 Classen Open House. We're so excited for you to join us this evening in this virtual experience that we call CometCity.
So, what is CometCity? Classen has a legacy of excellence serving our metro area students with a wide variety of unique programs from 5th grade to 12th grade. We invite you this evening to take a few moments to browse our programs and enjoy the experience.
So if you'd like to visit the middle school, click here.
And if you'd like to visit the high school, click here. We'd like to welcome you one more time to CometCity.